Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how I make some delicious yellow rice with black beans. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, I added some butter to the pot. I added 2 tablespoons of butter. Now if you don't want to use the butter, you could always use some margarine. So after adding the butter, I allowed it to melt, and then I'm going to add some chopped garlic and my onion. Now I'm using white onion. If you like, you could always use a red onion. Just give it a nice mix. After you added your onion, you want that onion and the garlic to be infused with the butter. Afterwards, I'm going to add some water. Now if you need a lot of flavor, then go ahead and add some chicken broth or some vegetable broth. Afterwards, I added some stock cubes. I added my chicken stock cubes. Afterwards, I added some turmeric powder. Now if you don't want to add the turmeric powder, go ahead and add some curry powder, or if you want to use another powder or some sazon, even anything you want to add. Alright, I did go in and add some all-purpose seasoning because I wanted mine to be packed with flavor, and I also added a piece of thyme. Now bear in mind that you could also add your thyme leaves, and here I'm just adding some black pepper. So as you go along, you taste to see if it has enough flavor, because guess what guys, a flavor we say. Now just cover your pot and let it come to a rapid boil, and then we're gonna add our rice. Now for the rice, I'm adding my parboiled rice. If you like, you could always add your basmati rice or any type of white rice you like, alright, or even your real brown rice. So just ensure that you wash your rice properly and you let it fully drain, just to remove all of that excess liquid, and then just give it a nice stir, but ensure that it has enough liquid, because parboiled rice, it takes more liquid than white rice. Now just check the level of your rice. Ensure that it is like an inch or inch and a half above. The water level should be 1 or 1.5 inches above the rice. Alright, so after about 10 minutes and the liquid almost dries out, I'm gonna add my beans. So ensure that you rinse your beans properly under some running water, just to remove all of that peas water. Right, now I'm using the one in the can. Now bear in mind that you could use more beans if you like, but I didn't want a lot of beans in mine, so this amount of bean is just perfect for me. Now at this point, I could always cover with foil, but I'm just gonna cover with the pot cover and let it steam on a medium low flame. At this point, the rice is fully steamed and it is looking also delicious. It is packed with all of that nice flavor. And if you try the recipe, comment down below and give me your feedback. So I'm having mine with some Jamaican brown stew chicken. Now if you enjoyed the video guys, give me a thumbs up, share the video guys. You're doing my channel to grow.